Good morning, children. Hope you all are well and safe. Children, I have already explained you chapter number 4 in biology, photosynthesis. Okay, so today I will discuss book exercises with you. Now, children, so in short, let us revise once again what is photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a process through which plants make their own food with the help of 4 raw materials. Okay, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, chlorophyll. Okay, so this chloroplast is the cell organelle which is also called as kitchen of the cell, which is present inside the leaf. Okay, green leaf. And photosynthesis is carried out only in the green plants. That's why these plants are called autotrophs, because they are able to make their own food. Alright, children, but some green plants are there, they are unable to make, they do not have the chlorophyll pigment, they are non-green, so they follow heterotrophic nutrition. They do not they depend on others for their food. Okay, they do not produce their own food, so they are non-green plants. But all the green plants produce their food by the process of photosynthesis. So here you can see the picture of alus of the leaf. Okay, the lower portion, as I explained you earlier, lower portion of the leaf, tiny, very tiny, microscopic pores are present, that is called stomata, or these stomata, okay, these helps in the exchange of the gases carbon dioxide and oxygen gas. Okay, and it also helps in transpiration process. So with the effect of water, the stomata become turgid and flaccid. Okay, now or it will remain open or closed. So during daytime it will remain open so that photosynthesis can take place, and at night time it will remain closed to prevent the extra loss of water. Alright, now this is all about, now this is the reaction CO2 plus H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment. It will produce glucose and oxygen gas. So reaction is I am showing you here. Okay, so this is all about, and more one thing, the factors affecting the photosynthesis. So all the five factors or raw material conditions, it is very important. When it will be optimum or when it will be proper, then only photosynthesis process will take place. Okay, and if the intensity of these raw material will be low, then photosynthesis will also, the rate of photosynthesis will also decrease. All right, now mechanism of photosynthesis, I have explained you in my videos that photolysis of water, due to the action of the sunlight, what happen, water compound is split into hydrogen gas and hydroxyl ion. Okay, so or you can say hydrogen and oxygen gas. Okay, hydrogen ion or hydroxyl gas, and from the hydroxyl ion only oxygen gas is produced. So from where we are getting, after this reaction, from where we are getting oxygen, we are getting from the water molecule. Okay, not from the carbon dioxide. So remember these points. Okay, now then I have already explained you activities related to the photosynthesis. Now children, open your page number in the book. Open page number 56. One checkpoint exercise is given, true false. You can see first one is photosynthesis provides, I have already solved these exercises in this video so that you can easily write, or if you have written you can easily mark it in the book, or you can recheck also. So photosynthesis provides carbon dioxide for all the living organism. So it is false, because photosynthesis provides oxygen. Okay, oxygen. So this statement is false. Now second one is presence of starch is tested with the help of iodine solution. So second statement is true. Third statement is stomata remain open at night, so it is false. It open during daytime, as I said to you. Now fourth one is starch synthesized in leaves is transported to different plant parts, so it is false, because starch is a stored material. Okay, when glucose converted into starch. Okay, and starch is plants keep starch as a stored material in different parts, but they synthesize the glucose, so this is a false statement. Now last one is, you can see plants are called autotrophs, so it is true. Okay, or now, so we can say green plants are called autotrophs. So this is a true. Okay, now then next page number 57, few terms are given. You can see here nutrition, autotrophic nutrition, what is heterotrophic nutrition, chlorophyll, chloroplast, stomata, photolysis of water, photosynthesis. These are the definition, and these definition you have to write in your copy. So from the book page number 57, first paragraph only these are given. So please write down the all these definition in your copy. Okay, next is test yourself exercise. So first one is fill in the blanks with suitable words. So chlorophyll traps energy from sun. Okay, next one is dash nutrition is found in non-green plant. So non-green plant uses heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means different type of, they are unable to make their own food, so they depend on other plants for survival, for food and for energy. So that's why heterotrophic nutrition will come in the second in terms of non-green plant. Third one is the occurrence of photosynthesis can be confirmed by testing the presence of starch. Okay, through the starch test we can easily find out whether the plant has done the photosynthesis or not. Okay, photosynthesis takes place in the plant or not. Now starch turns color of green leaf from purple to bluish black. Okay, when we are treating with alcohol or when we are boiling, it will turn from purple to the bluish black. Okay, now B part is give one word for the following. So first one is green plants that prepare their own food. So one word you have to give answer. So green plants that prepare their own food are called autotrophs. Okay. Second one is microscopic opening on the undersurface of the leaf is stomata. Stomata are present on the undersurface of a leaf in higher number. Okay, children. Now third one is hydrolysis of water into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, H positive and OH negative ions, with the use of solar energy is called photolysis. Okay, so if photolysis you can see. Now end products of photosynthesis is glucose and oxygen. I don't have a space here, that's why I have written O2. Okay, so 2 you have to write in a subscript. Alright, so answer will be glucose and oxygen. Now fifth one is presence of starch in the leaves is tested during iodine solution. So you know children, here which step it is? It is the step of starch test. So starch test will come. Now children, third part is encircle the odd one out and give reasons. We have to find out the odd one out and we have to give reasons of our choice. So odd one you can give reason or other one also, any of your own choice, it is written. So children, I have cutted those. No, they are what? They are the odd one terms. So first one is protein, starch, glucose and cellulose. So all these, out of all these, protein is the odd one because others are the type of carbohydrates. Okay, I have written also others are carbohydrate. Now second is starch, iodine, caustic soda, 3 are given. So caustic soda, which is called sodium hydroxide NaOH, is a odd one out, because with other two, starch and iodine, we can do the starch test. Okay, or you can say these are the, one is the glucose, one is the iodine, which helps in photosynthesis. So I have written here starch test chemical. Okay, now third one is chlorophyll, stomata, sulfur and carbon dioxide. So odd one you can see is sulfur, as I have already cut it. Okay, so because sulfur is an element, I told you can give reason of your own choice, as it is written in the question. So you can give reason of this odd one term or other terms. So others it is an element, sulfur is an element, but other all three are the organelles or raw material which helps in photosynthesis. Okay, now fourth one, leaves, chloroplast, chlorophyll and roots. So roots is the odd one out, because it is a part of a plant, and others are the part of the leaf, you can say. Okay, or organ of the plant. Now children, after this there is a D part, answer the following, which we will discuss in the next video. Okay, I told you to write this definition, these definition in copy, same as after writing this B part and this C part, both the give one word answer type and odd one type, you will write in, you should write in the copy. Okay, so that definition and both the B and C part also please do in your copy. All right children, so this is your homework. Now children, next one is E part. D part, as I said, we will discuss, because all these 9 question answers in the next video. Match the following. First one, they are asking product of photosynthesis. Product means what we will get after the photosynthesis process. So we will get the glucose. Glucose is the main product. Okay, so glucose will come. Chlorophyll, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, so answer will be solar energy. Why solar energy? Because chlorophyll traps the solar energy. Okay, solar energy. Now starch. Starch is storage product. Okay, and which convert, when glucose convert into starch, then this starch stored in the different part of the plant, in the root part, in the stem part, in the branches part, in the leaf part, different part. Okay, now then is water. Water is source of oxygen. Okay, I told you that oxygen we are getting from the water, when water splits by sunlight. Okay, now stomata, as we all know, it closed at night. So I have already just solved these exercises. You just tally and just write. Now children, true false. Here what we should do, we should tell whether the statements are true or false, and we have to recorrect the correct one. So false statement we have to correct it. All plant cells carry out photosynthesis, so it is a false statement. All green plants will come. Okay, or green plant cells carry to the photosynthesis. Okay, like the same question they are asking, one question they are asking again and again. So here also the last one they have written, plants are called autotrophs. So we can say that it is also a type of false statement, because green plants are called autotrophs. So we can write true also, false also, anything. Now next one is, second one is, oxygen during photosynthesis is released from carbon dioxide. So it is a false, it will come from water. Next one is, chlorophyll is contained in chloroplast. So it is true. Yes, chlorophyll is present inside the chloroplast. Okay, chlorophyll is a pigment. Now fourth one is, optimum temperature for photosynthesis is 35 degrees Celsius. So it is a false. Temperature will be 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, Now fifth one is presence of starch in the leaf is tested using iodine solution. Yes, it is true statement. Okay, so you can see this fifth statements they are asking again and again. Now G question is multiple choice question. So first one is, this is a milk sugar. So milk sugar name is lactose. Okay, lactose is a sugar which is present inside the milk. Second one is, this is used to test the presence of starch in the food. So which chemical we are using for testing starch? So answer is iodine solution. Okay children. Then next is, they are asking the correct set of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis process, we need 4 raw material: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. So answer C is correct, as I have already mentioned. Fourth one is, the green pigment in the leaf is known as chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll is the green pigment. Now fifth one is, stomata are pores present on the surface of the leaf surrounded by which type of cells? So surrounded by which type of cells? Mesophyll cells. So many mesophyll cells, okay, are present near the stomata. Now I part is, complete the word with the help of clues. So we have to fill this missing blocks. First one is, the presence of these substances is taken as evidence that photosynthesis has occurred. So the answer will be starch. Structures present on the undersurface of leaves for exchange of gases, that is stomata. Now pigment necessary for photosynthesis is chlorophyll pigment, and presence of starch in leaves is tested by using this solution. Solution name is iodine solution. So children, in our homework, please do these activities. Okay, and one more thing, here 2 cells are given, guard cells. Fifth point, you can see guard cells and mesophyll cells. Okay, alright, answer is mesophyll cells. Now children, thank you, have a nice day, and please solve exercise in a book, and please write the definition and give one word and odd one out exercises in copy. Okay, and draw the diagram. You know, in Saturday Sunday you have 2 days, so you can easily draw the diagram. So draw the diagram related to the page photosynthesis and stomata. I have already told you this. Now thank you children, have a nice day, God bless you all.